My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Ford Kuga. This vehicle has done just under 23,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen we can access Bluetooth, navigation, mobile apps, emergency assistance, Apple and Android CarPlay, valet mode and ambient light. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, and the Kuga also comes with a keyless ignition. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.